In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Instagram account with Zoho Social. By the end, you'll have your Instagram connected and ready for publishing, engagement, and insights right inside Zoho Social. First, open your web browser and go to the official Zoho Social website. If you're already signed into another Zoho app, that's fine, but we'll start from the Zoho Social landing page to keep things clear. On the page, click Sign In. For this walkthrough, we'll use Google Sign In since it's quick and secure. Choose the Google option, then select your Google account to authenticate and continue into Zoho Social. If you prefer a different sign-in method, that's okay as long as you successfully log in to your Zoho Social workspace. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a gear. Click that to open your brand settings. In the settings area, find and select social channels. This is where all your connected profiles live and where you'll add new ones. Next, click Connect Instagram Profile. Zoho Social supports Instagram business and creator profiles, which enable publishing, messaging, and insights. If you're using a personal Instagram, be aware that some features may be limited. When the prompt appears, click Proceed to continue. This confirms you're ready to connect and takes you to Instagram's secure authorization flow. You'll now see the Instagram login and permissions screen. Log into your Instagram account if you're not already signed in your browser. Carefully review the permissions and tap Allow or Continue where prompted. Granting access is essential for Zoho Social to publish content, read, and reply to messages and comments, and pull analytics. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, make sure you select the correct one during this step to avoid linking the wrong profile. After you approve access, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Social. Give it a moment to finalize the connection. You should now see your Instagram profile listed among your connected channels. A quick refresh can help if it doesn't appear immediately. If you run into issues, double-check that pop-up blockers aren't stopping the authorization window. Confirm you're logged into the right Instagram in your browser, and ensure your Instagram is set up as a business or creator account with the appropriate permissions. Also make sure you have the necessary admin rights for any associated assets. That's it. You've successfully linked Instagram to Zoho Social, and you're ready to schedule posts, manage conversations, and track performance from one place. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.